Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you 5 mind-blowing finance tips that can help you take control of your financial future. Tip number 1, start investing early. Time is one of the most valuable assets when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the more time you have to grow your investments through the power of compounding. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can yield significant returns. Tip number 2, live below your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of overspending and accumulating debt. Instead, make a conscious effort to live below your means by avoiding unnecessary expenses and saving as much as you can. This will help you build an emergency fund and invest for your future. Tip number 3, diversify your investments. Investing in a variety of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities can help reduce your overall risk. By diversifying your investments, you can potentially increase your returns while minimizing your losses. Tip number 4, take advantage of tax-deferred accounts. Tax-deferred accounts like 401(k)s and IRA allow you to save for retirement while reducing your taxable income. Contributions to these accounts grow tax-free until you withdraw them in retirement. Tip number 5, focus on the long term. Investing is a long-term game. Instead of trying to time the market or chase short-term gains, focus on your long-term goals and invest accordingly. Keep a diversified portfolio, rebalance regularly, and stay the course through market fluctuations. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more finance and investment tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.